How to invest in stocks 2022 for beginners. Once we understand this idea of what a stock is, it's pretty easy to understand the idea of a stock market. Imagine a flea market or a farmer's market. A place full of buyers and sellers, with lots of trades taking place. The stock market is like this, except that the vast majority of the buyers and sellers are making these trades through the internet. Buyers in this virtual market are looking to trade their cash for shares of stock. And sellers are looking to get rid of their shares of stock. Why do you want to buy stocks? Stocks are an investment, meaning that you sacrifice control of some of your money now in hopes of controlling more money later. While the idea of giving up some of your hard-earned cash may seem daunting, it will all be worth it at the end of your investing journey. If you can spare enough of your income to invest a few $100s a month, you'll end up with hundreds of thousands of dollars by the time you retire. The stock market offers lots of different types of investments, and several of them are perfect for beginner investors. Individual stocks. Let's start with the basic investment security. Single stocks. Buying a share of stock in a company means that you are a partial owner of that company. You might buy a share of a company because you think the stock price is going to increase, or because you want to earn constant income through dividends. The general rule regarding stock investing is buy low, sell high. This may seem obvious, but what's not so obvious is actually choosing which stocks you think will rise in price in the future. Diversification. While we're discussing individual stocks, it's important to note one of the most important security measures that investors take to safeguard their portfolios against company and sector-specific risk. Diversification. Diversification is the practice of including a wide range of investments in your portfolio. Theoretically speaking, proper diversification lowers the amount of risk in a portfolio and provides higher average returns than you would get from any one stock alone. If you're going to build yourself a diversified portfolio, you'll need a way to research stocks. Seeking Alpha is a stock screening and investment research platform that we recommend to help you find the perfect stocks for your portfolio. Exchange-traded funds. Another type of investment that's great for beginners is called an exchange-traded fund, or ETF. ETFs are similar to mutual funds in that they are a collection of stocks that you can invest in without having to purchase each individual stock in the fund. They differ from mutual funds, however, in that they are much more accessible to everyday investors like you and me, who don't have tens of thousands of dollars laying around to invest. You can buy and sell ETFs right from your brokerage account during trading hours, just like regular stocks. And they often cost much less than you would pay if you were to buy each individual stock. ETFs are a great way to add some diversification into your portfolio without breaking the bank. One of the most common ETFs is SPY, a fund that tracks the entire S&P 500 as a whole. That's right, you can gain exposure to every stock in the S&P 500 for just a few $100s. First steps to financial success. At Wall Street Survivor, we love with the stock market, and we are obsessed with finding the best deals to help us all make more money. Here is our list of the best stock services to help you get started investing correctly. Get up to $1,000 in free stock with Robinhood. The fastest growing brokerage, Robinhood, just hit 10 million accounts. Because they don't charge commission, and they are giving away up to $1,000 in free stock when you open an account. Stock Advisor returns. Not sure what stocks to buy? Get the best stocks picks. We subscribe to dozens of stock newsletters, and there is one that has outperformed all the rest for the last 4 years. This one service has an amazing average return of 74.63% on all of their stock picks the last 3 years. Their recent winners have been stocks like Shopify, SHOP, up 866%, Match Group, MTCH, up 549%, Paycom, PAYC, up 235%, and many others that have doubled in the last 3 years. Don't pay commission. Open a real brokerage account and trade commission-free. The brokerage industry is very competitive right now, and some brokers are offering free commissions and other incentives to acquire new accounts. Some of these newsletters are longer-term investing, some are short-term, and some are penny stocks. Find the best newsletter for your interests.